all will be in fine condition. As you know, we have completed e-learning of 3 poems and 3 lessons. Hope you all have enjoyed the session and you have learned very nicely. Today we are going to discuss the topic application writing. As you know, there are many kinds of application writing. Suppose you want to leave, you can going to write an application that is called leave application. If you want some certificates from the school, that is bona fide certificate, leaving certificate, you have to write one application letter. But today we are going to discuss a job application. The application letter when you want some job and you are going to write a letter, that is called job application. So we have learned many examples of these job applications in 11th standard also. And as you know, in our Gujarat board paper, there will be 7 marks question in your writing section for job application. And job application letter is very easy. With little bit of your knowledge and preparation, you are able to secure good marks. So prepare job application letters very nicely. Here is one pamphlet for you. Write an application for the post of an account teacher in reply to an advertisement in a newspaper. Apply with detailed biodata. Here is an example I am going to give you, and so I have not mentioned the address, but in board paper probably you will get both the address of who is going to write an application and the address where you have to write an application. So first of all the things now you have to write in the one place only, that is in the right direction. So here your address will also come. So first of all you have to write your full address. After writing your address, either it will be given in the paper, otherwise you have to write your own address. After writing address, as you see, you have to write the date. Please focus the way how the date is going to be written. After writing the date, you have to write to whom you are going to write this application. That is the principal or the general manager, regional manager, whatever is given in the paper. So with the address you are going to write. Then you have to mention the subject. That is application for the post of here as account teacher. So subject application for the post of account teacher. After that you have to write some introductory lines. So you have to always remember these lines properly, because in most of the application you can use this line as your starting lines. That is, with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated so and so, I take the opportunity to send my application for the above mentioned post. No need to write every time the same things, that is account teacher. So you can use the word above mentioned post. I hold the necessary qualification and enclosed my detailed biodata for your kind consideration. Students, you have to remember sometimes the word resume is also used for biodata. Now you have to write your complete biodata. Starts with your name, age, date of birth, language you know, mother tongue, nationality and contact number. All these things you have to write in a very nice manner. After giving this introduction, you have to give your education qualifications. So here it is teachers for the job of a teacher. So we have to start that with B.Ed. And remember, never start with your SSC, but the high degree you are having, that you have to mention first. So here it is B.Ed, Gujarat University, these all things you know. Then BCom, HSC and SSC. Now some other qualifications. Here I have mentioned three qualifications: working knowledge of computers, participated in inter-school basketball championship, and certificate holder of youth festival in cultural program. So these other qualifications you can add also or you can deduct also according to the need. Then working experience. At present, I am working with St. Thomas High School as assistant teacher. Then why you want to change? So reason for change: for better prospects, and salary never mentioned in number. You have to write negotiable. Then you have to give references. That is to proper person. If the person who is going to give you the job, if they want some other details regarding you, so they can contact that person. So here two references are there. One reference is of the principal of B.Ed college and another reference is account professor of the BCom where he had got his graduation, that college. And don't forget to write the contact number because it is the most important thing. As we know, generally people are going to ask by contact, they are not going there personally. So contact number you have to mention. Here your application part or your biodata, that is going to complete. And now some ending lines. I hope the above information is as per your requirement. I look forward to being called for a personal interview. If I am chosen, I assure of my best services always. Enclosed some photocopies of my all the certificates for your kind pursuer. Thanking you, yours faithfully, your sign and name, and enclosed as above. So here the application is going to be complete. So you have noticed, if there is different type of job application, only maximum you have to change in qualifications only, not to change more. Here you will get some ideas regarding the qualifications for some course. So go through it and try to remember that. So any kind of application you can write very nicely. Hope you have revised the application writing nicely. Now I am going to give you two more application to write, and that you have to write in your notebook along with this sample application. So tomorrow you have to send me the pics of three application writing in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.